കുഞ്ഞിപ്പൊള്ളൊരു ഫാമിലി വ്ളോഗ്സ്. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്വന്തം ജീന. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഇന്നത്തെ വ്ളോഗ് പോതമേട് വ്യൂ പോയിന്റിനെ പറ്റിയാണ് കേട്ടോ. പോതമേട് വ്യൂ പോയിന്റിനെ പറ്റി നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? മൂന്നാറിന് ഏകദേശം ഒരു 5 കിലോമീറ്റർ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസേ ഉള്ളൂ ഈ ഒരു വ്യൂ പോയിന്റിലേക്ക്. നല്ല അടിപൊളി വ്യൂ ആണ് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് വ്ളോഗ് ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. അതുപോലെ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം?
ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമന്റ് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, തൊട്ടപ്പുറത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. എങ്കിൽ മാത്രമാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇൻസ്റ്റന്റ് ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോസിന്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻസ് ഒക്കെ ഇൻസ്റ്റന്റ് ആയിട്ട് അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടുള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ.
കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് കേട്ടോ. സോ എൻജോയ്.
അപ്പോൾ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു വ്യൂ പോയിന്റ് കാണാൻ പോയ സമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ അവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ട് ഒരു ടൂറിസ്റ്റിനെ പരിചയപ്പെടുകയുണ്ടായി കേട്ടോ. പുള്ളിക്കാരൻ അങ്ങ് ലക്നൗ കാൺപൂരിൽ നിന്നാണ് വന്നത്. സോ അദ്ദേഹം ഒരു ഡോക്ടറായിരുന്നു, ഡോക്ടർ വിഷ്ണു യാദവ്. ഐ തിങ്ക് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു പേര് തെറ്റിപ്പോയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ ഡോക്ടർ വിഷു എന്നാണ് വിളിക്കുക അദ്ദേഹത്തെ. അപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹം അങ്ങനെ വിളിച്ചോളാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ വിശേഷങ്ങൾ, അദ്ദേഹം നമ്മുടെ ഈ നാട്ടിൽ വന്നിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ കേരളം എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അദ്ദേഹം കണ്ട സ്ഥലങ്ങൾ എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു എന്നൊക്കെ അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു വ്യൂ പോയിന്റിൽ അദ്ദേഹം എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പം നമ്മുടെ ലൊക്കേഷൻസ് ഒരു നോൺ മലയാളി ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരാൾ വന്ന് കണ്ടിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തെ പറ്റി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ സ്ഥലങ്ങളെ പറ്റി അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു അഭിപ്രായം ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഒരു വളരെ ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു തിങ് ആണ്. നമുക്ക് കേട്ടിരിക്കാൻ തന്നെ ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ഒരുപാട് ഇഷ്ടമായി. അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട കാര്യങ്ങൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടുത്തെ ഹോസ്പിറ്റാലിറ്റി, ഐ മീൻ നമ്മൾ ടൂറിസ്റ്റുകളെ ട്രീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു രീതി, നമ്മൾ അവരോട് സംസാരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ആയിട്ടുള്ള ടോക്ക് കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ അവർക്ക് ഒരുപാട് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ഈ സ്ഥലത്തെ സൈറ്റ് സീയിങ്, നേച്ചർ ബ്യൂട്ടി കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ അവർക്ക് ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് മൈൻഡ് ബ്ലോയിങ് ആയിട്ട് തോന്നി എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. അപ്പം ആ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ ഈ വ്ളോഗിനകത്ത് ഉണ്ടാവും. സോ കാണാൻ മറക്കരുത് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഒട്ടും സമയം കളയണ്ട, കണ്ടേക്കാം. അയ്യോ. Sir, first you visited Trivandrum, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How you feel? How is Trivandrum?
Ma'am, it was a very much different experience for me, I would say, because I belong to North India, and the culture and the food, it's
Everything is entirely different.
yes, ma'am, it's entirely different.
But actually, UP is rich of temples, right?
Yes, ma'am. UP is also rich of many temples, but the number of temples I saw in Trivandrum, it's enormous.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Like it's amazing. Like every 200 meters, I could see some temple or other. Like, and so I visited.
Really devotional touch, right?
Fully devotional touch, and people were very much humble, I would say, very much friendly. I know only English and Hindi,
Okay.
and but with my sign language also they could understand and helped me.
Yeah.
Everyone helped me.
Devotion was very much comfortable.
Very much comfortable, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And
We are having a tradition like Aditi Devo Bhava. You are a guest to us.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we are much happy to welcome you to our country, and we are very glad to see you here.
Yes, ma'am. Like I am very much touched by the hospitality of Kerala.
Yeah.
Like people are very much friendly and helping nature.
That sounds good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what are the sceneries there at your Trivandrum?
I visited Padmanabh Swami temple first,
Okay.
and like this is the richest temple in the world, and I darshan kiya the beach. Like I did the Vishnu darshan,
Okay.
Vishnu darshan at the night, and
Actually, your belief is you are Hindu, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
So it's so good for you to make the darshan with the Vishnu.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My mother was saying that you are very much lucky that you are visiting that place.
She may miss you here. Is that right?
Yeah, she was saying that you should have taken me also.
So, yeah, next time you must take her. there.
Next time, sure.
Then after that you went which place? Alpura.
No. Then next day I went to Kovalam beach.
Yeah, Kovalam Beach.
Kovalam
It's
beach.
an amazing place. So
That's an amazing place, amazing view,
Yeah.
and the view of the sea coming, water coming from the horizon.
Ah.
That was means breathtaking.
Oh,
I I have not seen anything like that. I have visited Goa once. I
How
think
much time you spent there at Kovalam Beach?
Kovalam Beach. I spent around 2 3 hours.
Okay, okay.
Uh, and it was very much amazing experience.
Okay. Then you take the stay there at Trivandrum? At that day? At that day you take the stay there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
I stayed at the Trivandrum.
Okay.
Then that day I went to Kovalam Beach. Then I went to Attukal Temple,
Okay.
and and I was walking and I could
I think
see.
you are a true believer.
Yes, ma'am. Because it's all because of my, I would say, mother.
Yeah, tradition.
Tradition. Like,
So hats off to her.
yes, yes, surely. And uh, I could see temples like every 100 meters, some or the other temples.
Okay.
And culture is amazing.
Okay.
And at the night,
Did you had any prasadam or like that? Did you get from there? Some temples will give like that. I don't know
oh,
actually. Regarding the Trivandrum, I don't know.
oh, ma'am, I did not get any prasadam. Yes,
Maybe it's on different time.
yes, ma'am. Maybe I might be late or
Yeah,
early.
something like that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you can continue. So the next day you went which place? After Trivandrum.
Yes, ma'am. After Trivandrum, I took the morning train to the LP,
Okay.
and LP is famous for the backwaters. And when I reached LP, I took the Shikara ride.
How was the ride?
I would say that was really amazing ride.
Okay.
And I was the single person on the boat.
Oh, you're alone there.
Yes.
So you feel lonely or something like that?
No, no, no.
Okay.
I was very much
Comfortable.
very much comfortable. Speaker were also there. I played some songs,
Oh,
and in between I had Toddy also.
I see. Are you a singer?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's great. So can you sing a little song for our subscribers?
Acha, you said singer?
No. Actually, you are a singer, right? Oh,
No, 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 no,
no, no, no, no. So, what's your hobby?
Hobby. I like to play football.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Can you show something to subscribers? Anything dance song or like that? Is anything like that?
uh, I think I there is one song coming in my mind.
So you can.
Yes, sir. यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, जीवन गाड़ी है समय पहिया. यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, जीवन गाड़ी है समय पहिया. This is the song by Kailash Kher, one of my favorite song.
Okay, that's so amazing. Thank you so much, Mr. Doctor. So after that, we are now at Alapi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can share the experience.
Yes. And the boat ride was amazing. 2 hours ride, and boat took me through the backwaters.
Okay.
Backwaters is the water which has flown from the ocean and it has came to inside the land.
Okay.
And so that was something different.
Okay. So
That
it was a
was
wonderful experience for you.
that was a wonderful experience, I would say.
Okay.
Then
Then after that, you went to which place?
yes, then I took the bus to Thekdi.
Yeah, you are using the public transport.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's great. You are a solo traveler, right?
Solo travel.
So how was the public transport experience from here?
Yes, KSRTC buses are good, and I would say economical also. If you are like solo traveler, then definitely consider this.
Exactly, budget friendly, right?
Budget friendly, and comfortable also, and you can go from one place to another in very much less time, I
Yeah,
would say.
exactly.
Yes.
Then you afterwards you went to which place? Tekadi, right?
Yes.
How was Tekadi?
Then Thikdi mein gaya, हाँ.
Yeah.
Then when I went to Thikdi, like Thikdi is famous for Periyar Tiger Reserve.
Yeah.
So I went to the Periyar Lake, and like there is a park, and
Okay.
like there is a park, and bus take there is a bus which is provided by the Periyar Tiger Reserve Foundation,
Okay.
which takes
For
us
sightseeing, right?
for sightseeing,
Yeah.
which takes us from the park to the boating point.
Okay.
Okay. Then after we reach the boating point, the location itself is very beautiful,
Okay.
and then I did the uh, uh, boat ride. नहीं, हाँ. Then I went in. Then I took the boat,
Okay.
and the boat took us through the Periyar Lake,
Okay.
and I saw, I think around 4 or 5 different species.
Okay.
Like I saw bison,
Oh.
I saw deer,
Okay.
I saw बर्ड थी भूल गया उसका
You forgot something because you saw so much things and you was in a wonderworld like that.
yes, yes,
So you forgot something. No problem.
yes.
So you visited which location visited next?
Then after that, after the Periyar Tiger Reserve,
Yeah.
I went to see the Kalaripayattu,
Oh, Kaladipad, the martial arts.
the martial arts
How
show.
was it?
Like that was, I would say, the best till now.
Yeah, that's great.
That was the amazing experience, and the guys who were performing that, they were so well trained, so professional,
Yeah.
and so uh, like they know what they are doing, because uh, by looking that, it looks very much dangerous, like they are using swords and all kind of things,
Okay.
and they were jumping, jumping inside the fire rings.
Oh, oh.
Okay, so that was one amazing experience.
For us, it will be like terrible, but they are doing a very marvelous job, right?
Marvelous job, they
Yeah.
are doing marvelous job, and they are practicing very much, so like hats off to them.
Exactly.
Yes. Then after
Then
that,
afterwards, you went here, Munnar,
after
or
af-
anything.
afterwards I saw Kathakali.
Kathakali. Oh,
Kathakali there only,
okay.
and like first time I saw Kathakali.
Oh,
I have seen it in the TV and YouTube, and I could not make out like what the person is doing with his eye movements and all.
yeah.
But when I saw with my own eyes, then I could make out, like the name is Kathakali, like they are telling a story through the expressions.
Yeah, exactly. It will be a splendid performance, right?
And that was very much b- uh, great performance. Perfect. Like they know what they are doing, and they did fantastic.
Then afterwards, you went here, Munnar.
Yes, and
Today morning. Okay,
today morning I took bus from Thekri to Munnar.
okay,
I reached here around in the I reached here at evening.
okay,
Then straight up I came to this.
okay.
to-
This is for the mid.
This is Podamedu
This is
viewpoint.
for the mid viewpoint.
Podamedu
Exactly. Yeah.
viewpoint. Actually, it was around 2 kilometers from my hotel,
Okay.
but I did not take any transport.
Okay. Then
I
how you make the ride?
I just walked
Oh,
because
really? 2 kilometers.
yes,
That's great.
because I wanted to experience,
Yeah,
and
exactly.
by
You can see the nature beauty, right?
natural beauty, and I shooted some videos also like this,
Oh,
and
that's great.
uh,
Then how is Munnar? How you feel like that? What is the difference between the Tekadi, Trivandrum, Alleppey, and regarding with this Munnar? How is the nature beauty here?
I would say that Kerala is Kerala is known as God's own country because of this reason only. Like at the LP you can see backwaters.
Yeah,
At the Trivandrum you can see beaches.
yeah,
Then at the Thekdi you can see wildlife.
yeah.
And at the Munnar is a hill station, so you can see clouds and weather is so good. So you
Exactly.
can see all these things in one state only. I
Exactly.
don't think anywhere in India this is possible. Like this is
That's
available.
that's a proud moment for us. It's a really a great comment. Also, you really appreciate our hospitality too.
Yes, ma'am. Like I will salute to the hospitality of Kerala.
Thank you so much. This credit will goes to our state government too, because it's a very good compliment from the guest to our country. So then you just now you visited us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Our YouTube channel name is Manju Positive Family Vlogs. Actually you saw our channel right just now.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So I'm sure you will definitely be our subscriber, right?
Yeah, sure, sure. I would definitely subscribe to your channel, and I would suggest, and I would say all of you guys that do share and subscribe. So, and I was having coffee, then I saw Anish with his professional tripod, and I instantly make out that he is YouTuber.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's normally nowadays tripod is make the signature of the YouTubers.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So then I then we interacted, and I got to know the name of the channel.
Yeah.
Then I met you and baby Kunji Mini,
Yeah, Kunjivindi.
and
So,
like I felt very much good talking to you guys. Like
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
very much friendly, and I would definitely say that they Jeannie and Anish are doing a great job.
Thank you so much. It's a great compliment for us. Thank you so much, sir.
And
So you will definitely suggest to your friends to make the subscribers, right? Make the subscription, right?
yes, I would definitely say that do share and subscribe to the channel. They
Thank
are
you so
doing great job. They are showing you all these places.
Exactly. We will definitely share these locations to our subscribers. So
Uh, all the best to you.
thank you
Okay,
so much.
all the best to your channel, and I hope that you reach thousands and thousands and 100K subscribers very soon.
Thank you so much, sir. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും നേരം നമ്മുടെ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തെ പറ്റിയും നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടെ വന്ന ഓരോ ലൊക്കേഷൻസ് കണ്ടതിനെ പറ്റിയും ഒക്കെ നമ്മളോട് സംസാരിച്ച ഡോക്ടർ ഡോക്ടർ വിശ്വജിത് സിംഗ് ആയിരുന്നു. So I forgot his name, so I will call him as Vishu. That's fine, right? Yeah, this is Dr. Vishu. So നമുക്ക് ഡോക്ടർ വിഷുവിന് എന്തൊരു സമ്മാനം കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത്, നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിൽ വന്നതല്ലേ. സോ നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു കട കണ്ടു, ഇവിടെ തൊട്ടടുത്തായിട്ട് കോതമേട് വ്യൂ പോയിന്റ് തന്നെ അടുത്തായിട്ട് നമ്മളൊരു ഷോപ്പ് കണ്ടു. ഈ ഷോപ്പിന്റെ പേര് എന്താണ്? ജസ്റ്റ് ചോക്ലേറ്റ്. സോ ഈ ഷോപ്പിനെ പറ്റി ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. അപ്പം ഇവിടുന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾ കുറച്ച് ഹോം മെയ്ഡ് ചോക്ലേറ്റ്സ് വാങ്ങിയതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഡോക്ടർ വിഷുവിന് കൊടുക്കാനായിട്ട്. സോ ഇത് നമ്മുടെ ഒരു സന്തോഷം, സ്നേഹം, നിങ്ങൾ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബേഴ്സ് എല്ലാവർക്കും വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കൊടുക്കുന്നതാണ്. സോ അനിഷിത കൊടുത്തോ.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So thank you so
It was
much.
nice meeting you.
Thank you so much, Vishu.
That was a great experience for me.